Attraction marketing is a strategy that focuses on attracting potential customers to a business or brand by providing valuable content, building relationships, and establishing trust and credibility. Here are the top 5 benefits of using attraction marketing to build a business online. 1. Increased exposure. Attraction marketing allows you to reach a larger audience than traditional advertising methods. 2. Greater ROI. Because attraction marketing is all about providing value first and foremost, your return on investment is typically much higher. 3. Increased customer loyalty. When people feel like they're being taken care of, they're more likely to stick around and do business with you. 4. Easier scaling. As your business grows, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage customer relationships manually. Attraction marketing automates this process for you. 5. More time freedom. The best thing about attraction marketing is that it allows you to work from anywhere in the world at any time of the day or night. If you're tired of struggling to attract the right customers to your business, click on the link in the description to discover the attraction marketing formula. This is a proven system for attracting high-quality leads and building a successful online business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link now.